honestly, like, I just need about like six. I need like six. What the fuck is happening? MK, look at this. Look at all the blurps. And I'm not gonna be able to sleep. That's not true. You can't silence us. I'm not even trying. And I blame Blurp for all this. All of this is going to Blurp. I'm sending this to them and I'm saying, why does this need to happen? Like, every single time I'm angry, they just fart at me. Do you guys have like a weird fart fetish? Is that what's going on? Am I like